If you work from a modern laptop or even on an iPad, you already know the ultimate paradox. These things are beautifully thin and portable, but the second you actually need to get to work, you run out of ports instantly. You end up carrying a nest of dongles, and because you're hunched over a flat desk, your neck is absolutely killing you. Today we're looking at something that is a clever fix for both problems at once. This is the JOYHIAS 8-in-1 aluminum docking station stand. It's a heavy-duty, collapsible, ergonomic stand that is incredible. It has a fully loaded USB-C hub built right into it. I already unboxed it, but I can tell you straight out of the box, the first thing you notice is the light weight. Around 1.5 pounds. This isn't a flimsy plastic by all means. It's an aluminum alloy build using a stable triangle design that can support up to 40 pounds. It features a great forward tilt orientation with large open cutouts to boost airflow. Plus, it folds down flat and slides right into this portable pouch, making it generally travel ready. But the real magic is underneath the frame. This is an 8-in-1 hub that acts like a full-blown docking station. Let's look at what you get. A 100-watt USB-C power delivery. You pass your main charger through this port and it juices up your laptop at blazing speeds, keeping your battery full during workloads without needing extra power bricks. A 4K UHD HDMI output, perfect for plugging into external monitors or a TV for clean, crisp presentations, or a side-by-side multitasking. Dual USB 3.0 ports. These hit data speeds of 5 gigabits per second. Ideal for external SSD file transfers or connecting a mouse and keyboard receiver. From an ergonomic standpoint, honestly, getting your screen elevated makes an immediate difference. Neck and for your shoulders. And because laptops get notoriously hot when plugged in, the hollow open back design allows passive airflow to keep your CPU running cool, preventing that annoying thermal throttling when you're rendering videos or handling heavy spreadsheets or video editing, like me, live streaming. Now, there is one critical detail that you need to know. Because this actually relies entirely on a single USB-C connection to drive the video output, power delivery, and data simultaneously, your laptop or tablet must have a fully featured USB-C port that supports DisplayPort, alt mode, and power delivery. If your older PC just has a basic data-only USB port, the stand will hold it perfectly fine, but the hub features won't actually work. Now, what's the verdict? If you're constantly working out of a coffee shop or a co-working space, this is an incredible value. It saves desk real estate, fixes your posture, and restores all the ports that tech companies took away from us. I've left a link to the exact model down in the description down below. If you hit that like button, if this was helpful to you, I'll see you guys in the next one.